Hello, and thank you for tuning in. The Quntis Monitor Light Pro with remote is a monitor-mounted lighting solution designed to enhance a workspace illumination while minimizing screen glare. I'll break this review into a few parts. I'll do a quick unboxing, and then I'll get right into the pros and the cons. Afterwards, I'll summarize and then let you know if it's a go or a no. Okay, without wasting any more of your time, here's what's in the box. It's packed nicely and secure, so it doesn't look like anything could get damaged during shipping. Even though it seems to be able to adjust to many sizes and shapes of monitors, straight out the box, we have some adjustment parts in case you need to custom fit to your specific monitor. It has a USB-A to USB-C power cord. Nice looking and feeling remote with batteries included and a magnetic closure. Build quality feels good. It's made with aluminum and polycarbonate materials, so it won't be too much weight on your monitor. And that's where the counterweight comes in to give some stability. So here are some of the pros. Enhanced workspace illumination. The light bar provides bright, focused lighting, improving visibility and reducing eye strain during extended computer use. I edit mostly at night with other lighting turned off as to not disturb others. I definitely notice less strain on my eyes, and I'm able to work significantly longer with continuous comfort. Next, the wireless remote control. The included wireless remote allows for convenient, stepless adjustments to brightness and color temperature without reaching for the light bar, contributing to a clutter-free desk setup. Adjustable color temperature and brightness. You can customize the light's brightness to suit different tasks and preferences. You can also adjust color temperature ranging from 3000K to 6500K. Space-saving design. By mounting your light on top of the monitor, it frees up desk space, making it suitable for a minimalist setup. And it has 45-degree adjustable rotation angle for optimum light coverage. Compatibility. The adjustable clip accommodates both flat and curved monitors, enhancing its versatility. It also has an auto dimming feature and 2-hour auto off timer. By the way, this is not a sponsored video and I don't have any obligation to Quntis. This is a product that I purchased with my own money and I actually use it every day. But there is an affiliate link below, so if you decide you want to buy this item, using the link would definitely be appreciated. And if not, if anything in this video was helpful to you, please take a second and hit the thumbs up, as it would help my channel and it's a great indicator that I'm helping someone. Okay, enough with that, let's get into the cons. So for the cons, we have potential screen obstruction. On some monitors with thin bezels, the clip may slightly obscure the top edge of the screen, which could be distracting for some users. For the remote, because it's remote-only controls, the absence of physical controls on the light bar means all adjustments must be made via the remote. Misplacing the remote could limit your ability to even use the light at all. Lastly, the remote is non-rechargeable. The remote operates on AA batteries and lacks a rechargeable option, necessitating periodic battery replacement, which means that if you don't have batteries, you won't be able to use it. Okay, my take on the Quntis Monitor Light Pro is that it offers effective and customizable desk lighting with the convenience of a wireless remote. It provides a clean, aesthetic look without cluttering my desk. Looks great and has allowed me to work hours longer on content due to its soft, natural light. And I can adjust the angle as well. Eye strain is not a problem anymore. However, keep this in mind. Potential buyers should consider the reliance on the remote for controls and ensure compatibility with your specific monitor setup. I've been extremely satisfied with this monitor light, and I would definitely recommend it. So for me, it's a go. The last time I checked, it was priced at about $70 US. I'll put the link down in the description. Please leave your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button, and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. If you've seen anything in my Workspace setup that you're interested in or have questions about, please ask in the comments below. The links will be in the description. I will be reviewing many products that I use for videography and content creation. Okay, thank you for now. Goodbye.